Just rolled up to Pheasant Valley. The audio might be a little bit shaky today because
it's pretty windy out here.
we got some serious ones.
Serious. But you know what? There's gonna be some birds down today.
Got Jason's gonna be filming from behind today.
Yeah, he's
DSLR.
driving
A
with the
little bit of mud here, boys.
That's why we got
The guy said it's frozen. You should be fine.
swamp. It's a mud fest. We're all mud. Mudding and pheasant hunting.
Here we go.
Alright.
Man,
Oh, he got the dog. Yes, let's go. We're gonna meet the dog.
here are the boys. Cool, it's windy. Gonna be interesting out here. But here we are. I got that one. Where is it? Snow. Picked a good day to come pheasant hunting. Everybody's staying. Trying to stay in the truck. We got. Yeah. All right. Well, we've retreated to the truck. It is wild out here.
It is.
So we got a crazy snow squall going on. Look at the window here. So I just covered in snow.
Oh my god, this is nuts.
Our guy just said, get in the truck. We're gonna wait like 10 minutes here.
Get to the truck.
Hopefully it passes. There's birds out there, so
They're gonna be out there for long, brother. They're gonna be in a blizzard.
this is insane.
They're gonna be covered with snow, dude.
Not the best hunting conditions, but golly.
You know, I would not expect anything less so for this hunting season, to be
Yeah,
honest.
this is par for the course so far. So
I mean, one day it's 60 degrees, and next here, look, we got a snow squall.
So we're gonna wait it out. We'll get back out there. And, man, my face is frozen, man. My face is freaking done, dude. Ty's done too. His hand, he's got no gloves on.
No gloves.
He's got gloves, but it's pretty wild out there. So we'll wait it out, and hopefully we got 2 birds down. Ty got both the birds. I think I got one of his shots on. He got the other shot on camera, so we got that at least for you. Nothing else today. We put 2 birds down, but it's gonna be an interesting hunt now. So we'll see.
Jay, there's a trucker on the ground right in front of you.
That was me, bro. I got it on film too. Good boy. We got a bird? Good boy. That's a good boy. Reggie!
Nice. I folded that. Yeah. I got it on video.